Ancient creatures hid mysteries we still can't explain.
And we're starting with this giant bone?
Some creatures were enormous beyond imagination.
That shadow is too big for my comfort.
Scientists found teeth larger than human palms. Whose mouth needs teeth that big?
Something massive lived inside caves like these.
Massive? Please define massive.
Ancient paintings show creatures we don't recognize.
If they drew it, they must have seen it.
Some fossils don't match any known species.
So, unidentified giant? Deep oceans hide prehistoric giants.
And they beat back on sonar? Footprints larger than cars were discovered.
That's not walking, that's stomping.
Some creatures evolved glowing eyes. That glow is not friendly.
Some insects were 2 meters long.
2 meters? That's not an insect, that's a roommate.
This rib shape matches no known animal.
It's giving alien vibes. Something carved deep grooves with teeth. Teeth sharp enough to cut rock?
Some ancient roars were unbelievably loud.
If I hear that again, I'm running.
These claws are longer than swords.
Sword claws? Seriously?
Helicoprion had a spiral saw-like jaw.
A buzzsaw mouth? Nope.
Dunkleosteus could bite with bone-crushing force.
Bone crushing? My bones feel unsafe.
Snake-like creatures with fins once existed.
Land snake or water snake? Both sound bad.
Frozen remains still baffle scientists.
Why does it look fresh?
These prints resemble humanoids.
Giant humans?
We're doomed.
Ancient sailors described terrifying beasts. And somehow survived to tell?
Claw marks suggest predators we never identified.
Something bigger left those marks.
This spine belongs to no known reptile.
Unknown reptile equals unknown danger. Some creatures released massive air bursts. Breathing or warning. Strange skin texture unlike any modern species.
It's rough and creepy.
Mutations existed even in prehistoric eras.
2 heads? Double trouble.
Creatures walked across cooling lava.
Walked? More like stomped. Some ancient squid grew unbelievably long.
Those aren't tentacles, they're nightmares.
Some species may have survived in swamps.
Living fossils? No thanks.
Some reptiles had wing-like structures. Tiny dragons? Count me out!
Serpent-like fossils still remain unexplained.
Do no tea, let it be alive.
Something huge slid across this valley.
Sliding?
Crawling? Both are creepy.
Heavy footsteps suggest giant bipeds existed. Biped giants? Nope.
Multi-limbed creatures once roamed Earth.
10 limbs? Overkill. Giant worms tunneled through ancient soil. A bus-sized worm? N.O.
Something bit through solid shell.
Bit through? With what jaws? Lake creatures remain unclassified. Stop staring at the water! Some creatures had unimaginable strength. Strong enough to break stone? Yikes!
This skeleton clings to the ceiling.
Ceiling creatures? Please no.
Eggs this size belong to giants.
Imagine what hatched from it.
Some prehistoric tails were incredibly long.
That tail was its own creature.
Coiled tentacles still confuse scientists.
Tentacle springs? Nightmare fuel! Bioluminescent creatures existed long before us.
Glowing things underwater? No, thank you.
Three-toed giants walked here.
They didn't walk, they stomped.
Some creatures had razor-like spikes. A walking weapon. Something huge moved through this river. Huge? Or enormous?
Hybrid creatures appear in ancient art.
Hope it's symbolic.
These claws were weapons of terror. And we're holding it. Why? Outlines like this don't match known species.
That shape was huge.
Some flyers were almost airplane-sized.
Airplane-sized?
Birds?
Frozen bodies sometimes stay intact. It looks like it's sleeping.
Some ancient calls don't match any animal.
That sound wasn't friendly.
Bones this thick belong to massive beasts.
Massive?
Try monstrous. Claw marks show incredible strength. No creature should scratch stone. Some eyes were huge and complex.
Big eyes mean big surprises.
Ancient creatures stirred swamp gases.
Something's under there.
A split spine?
That's unheard of. Double spine. Double nightmare.
Some tree movements were caused by giant climbers.
Climbers? Like tree monsters?
Fast-moving bioluminescence indicates predators.
Fast predators?
Great.
This jaw could swallow anything, including us. Fantastic.
Centipede-like monsters existed.
A giant centipede? Please delete.
Some creatures had dense, armor-like fur.
Furry tanks?
Wing beats that loud belonged to giants.
Flying giants? No thanks. Something smashed rocks for food.
Rock-smashing jaws?
These horns don't match any known species.
Alien goats?
Curved shapes like these remain unknown.
Unknown equals scary.
Some giants died mysteriously.
Something bigger probably won.
They were built to hunt efficiently.
Hunt what? Dinosaurs?
Something dragged itself across the forest.
Dragged, not walked?
Sườn núi có vết nứt lớn như bị thứ gì đâm vào.
Collisions with? What exactly?
Eyes this big saw everything. Including us, maybe?
Nước biển bị rẽ hai trong vài giây như có vật cản lớn đi qua.
I don't want to meet it. Something drilled through wood perfectly.
Precision drilling monsters?
This creature stretched dozens of meters.
A living rope?
Creatures rubbed against rocks to sharpen parts.
Sharpen? Body parts?
Large air pockets mean giant lungs.
Lungs the size of cars.
Ancient Earth was full of mysteries we barely understand.
And I'm glad these things aren't alive, right?